Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HONOR X7A. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Now you need to tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by tapping on OK. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of HONOR. Also on HONOR, scroll down to set up the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. In it, click on all of those categories at the top and to pick multiple files from your category, tap on those type of dots at the top left corners. You can also just click on the chosen ones instead. In my case, this one photo. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected, located at the bottom of an Android. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on HONOR device. Then click on While using or Only this time and point your HONOR's camera at the code. If you want to input 6-digit key instead, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!